Teachers know that interactive note-taking is a great way to help students organize and learn subject-specific content in their own creative way. But preparing a traditional notebook for interactive note-taking takes time, and time is a limited resource in the classroom. That's why Five Star partnered with teachers to create the first ready-made line of note-taking product designed specifically for interactive note-taking. Five Star Interactive Notetaking allows students to organize classroom material in a way that makes sense to them and helps them retain information better. With a table of contents, side margin, and page numbers, it's quick and easy to find specific information. They're also able to visualize and illustrate that information in their own unique way. Inside closure pockets are great for storing loose cutouts and small supplies. Plus, a grid-rolled quick reference guide is perfect for periodic tables, multiplication tables, and glossary of terms. And because the pages aren't perforated and do not have binder holes, there is plenty of room to glue inserts and cutouts. The work will also stay put all school year. Available in both comp book and notebook styles. Customize, organize, store with Five Star Interactive Note-Taking.